Are you trying to improve Google rankings for your product or service? Great, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'm going to show you quick and easy how to use ChatGPT and a keyword research tool to get #1 rankings in Google. And this is going to work because it uses data that shows which keywords are easy to rank for. And then you use ChatGPT overview here to just tell you how to optimize your website to rank for that keyword. Great, right? I'm going to show you how to do this even if you have no experience with SEO, even if you've never done any SEO tasks before, even if your business is brand new, or if your business has been around for a long time and you're just first getting into the power of SEO to grow your business. But first, why does this matter at all? Well, when you're talking about SEO and why it matters for a business, because it's one of the best ways to grow your business in a cost-effective manner. So what does that mean? Well, any other marketing that you have, whether that's Google ads, whether it's Facebook ads, whether it's radio ads, whether it's local print, whether it's flyers, right? All of these, you have to pay to play. And once you turn them off, then all of a sudden that advertising is no longer happening for your business, right? So all of a sudden the well dries up and the leads stop coming in. SEO is different. SEO is a savings account for your business. Same way that you put money in that savings account and all of a sudden a year later you're earning interest and you've got a bigger bank balance, it's the same for SEO. You keep putting the work into SEO, and eventually over time, you rank higher and higher and higher, and you have this whole database of assets, the content and the techniques that are working for you to grow your business. And once you're ranking, as long as you keep things fresh and keep going by best technical practices, you should be able to rank for a long time for many of these queries, right? Which means that you sit at the top of Google results, all the searches happen, it comes directly to your business, you're not paying anything, you just optimize your content to be there, and now you're driving in consistent leads for your business. So let's jump right in and talk about how to use ChatGPT and keyword research tool to make this happen. The first thing I did here is just pretend that I have a candle store. So I'll put the link below. I prefer using SEMrush. You could use Google Keyword Planner or any other keyword planning tool that you have. There are tons of them. Many are free. I just typed in candles into the keyword magic tool here. And then it gave me a whole bunch of results. First thing I did was I sorted based on keyword difficulty. That means how difficult is it to rank for that? 0 means you can pretty much rank for it with very little optimization, right? So I did that, and then I started scrolling through. I'm pretending that I have a candle business, right? It could be a Shopify site where I sell candles. It could be a local candle store, whatever. I'm looking for candles in general. Let's pretend for this example that I have a Shopify site and I make my own candles and I sell them. Great, right? So let's see the keywords for candles. I sorted based on keyword difficulty, and then I can see the volume. That means how many people search this every single month. Okay, that's going to tell me what might be a good keyword for my business. Now, as I scroll down through, I can see the volume here. 90 is good, 30, 40 is fine. I'm going to keep going until I see one that jumps out at me with it. 170, that's pretty good. Let's see what else is here because these are all still zeros still. 320, awesome for 12-ounce candle. So it sounds like that's a popular size. So it says keyword difficulty of 0, so your chance to start ranking new pages is very easy. 320, that means on average there are about 320 searches for a 12-ounce candle a month. That's great. If I can become #1 for that, that can boost my sales for my Shopify candle store. Awesome. That's the keyword I'm going to go with. Now, I jump right over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you what I typed in. I did this to save us all time because you've got things to do. You want to go rank #1 in Google. So let me show you what this is. And I'm going to copy and paste this prompt for you down below as well as the link to SEMrush. If you like this so far, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It's going to help more people reach this video. And plus, the support for my channel is much appreciated. So I just explained to it, I'm trying to rank my product page on my Shopify website. Product page, right? So 12-ounce candle, I sell the 12-ounce candle. I'm trying to rank that product page. Please be as specific as possible about the content and optimization I need. A checklist would be helpful. Again, copy and paste that yourself right into your ChatGPT. It's going to help you out. Here's what it came up with, which is brilliant. Keyword optimization. Primary keyword, 16-ounce candle is prominently used in these areas. Product title, description, meta title, meta description. Secondary keyword. Identify some related keywords. Large scented candle, soy wax 16-ounce candle included in my content. Content quality. Write a product description with unique compelling content, use bullet points, use these HTML tags on my product page. Use high quality images to provide a better user experience. Ensure the page is responsive and loads quickly on every device. Technical SEO. We'll just skip that. You can share that with your developer, but make sure it follows those keys as well. Customer reviews and Q&A, put that on the product page as well. It's going to give really good content. All of this should be clicking because this is what makes a great high ranking product page. You do this, you're going to be guaranteed to rank in that top spot for 12-ounce candles for your Shopify site, right? And then it talks about the rest of the things you can do: add awards, secure checkout, Google Analytics, and then it gives me a checklist for everything that I need to do. That's the first part. Now here's where it gets even better. Now I know that there is that much volume there. I know that it's easy to rank for it. I just had Google tell me how to optimize my Shopify product page so that I can get my product page listing ranked there. Wouldn't it be great if we ranked more of my website? How about a blog article? And that's where I just asked ChatGPT, great, write me a blog article that is aimed at ranking for the same query, right? Query just means question, keyword, the thing that somebody's searching. Said certainly. Great. Gotta love ChatGPT when it does the things you want it to. Here's the title: The Ultimate Guide to Choosing the Perfect 16-ounce Candle for Your Home. Awesome. We know people are looking for 16-ounce candles. Now let's give them a blog that will show up in Google when they're looking for them. It wrote the blog for me. All I have to do is copy and paste it. And then you can see here, top picks for 16-ounce candles. Here's where we just link to our best sellers and our products that are 16-ounce candles. So if the blog ranks, people read it, they see my products, they click to that, and links right in my website from the blog to the product pages that I just optimized for the 16-ounce candles that I have for sale, right? Okay, now for all of you who are paying close attention to detail, this was a test. No, it wasn't really a test. What I actually did was look here and see 12-ounce candles have 320 and 0, and then we did everything for 16-ounce candles. Well, the preparation for this video, it's because I saw over here 16-ounce candles, yep, have the same thing, 320 and 0. Very easy chance to rank for that. What are the chances? Double bonus for this video for anyone watching. If you start a candle store, you now have 12-ounce candles and 16-ounce candles that you can start ranking for immediately. Whoops, my bad. All right, well, let's continue anyway because it's the same thing. So 16-ounce candles or 12-ounce candles, you just saw the strategy to rank a blog article and have all the steps you need to rank your product page. Step 1, use the keyword planner, identify the keywords that you can rank for, look for ones that have a high volume, meaning a lot of people searching for that. Then jump over to your ChatGPT and use it to create a blog and optimize a product page for that. Now, this all works even if you have a service business or you're looking towards more local SEO or restaurant. Just do the same thing. Search the keyword related to the service that you offer, then try to find the specific thing in the service, right? So you could be landscaping, but then it could be like koi pond installation, right? Which could be something that you offer. I don't really know why that was what came to mind, but it could be something that you offer as a landscaper. And then you're going to find that there's volume for things like that with lower keyword difficulty. Then just use ChatGPT to tell you exactly how to optimize your service page and a blog to rank for those things, and you're going to be off and running to have better rankings for your local business. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe. We appreciate you being here. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT doesn't just help you with local SEO. It also helps you build an entire strategy for running and growing your local business. So check out the next video on an instant strategy that you can deploy for your business using ChatGPT. It's going to teach you, based on your inputs, exactly what a winning strategy could look like for your business. Be sure to hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next video.